Good morning from beautiful Genoa, Italy. It's about 8:30 in the morning on Sunday. It is May 12th today. I think that means we're like a day. I don't even want to think. I do want to think. I'm going to find out. I've been keeping a journal, and I'm trying to keep it every single day. In my journal, I'm using day one, not sponsored. So I'm on a 29-day streak, but I haven't written anything today because it's only 8:30 in the morning on Sunday. So this means today is day 30. A month. I just got chills a little bit. That's just crazy to think about. A month on the road so far. We've had some incredible experiences already, and just the time I'm getting to spend with my family and just the things we're getting to do and see. I'm just so excited. I'm having so much fun, and I really think this I just couldn't be happier. Yeah, this is amazing. Today, Sunday, we're gonna be pretty lazy. I film a little bit. Gotta edit a video that I want to get out by 9 o'clock our time, so I got a lot of the backbone of it done so far. That's a lie. No, I don't. I have 5.5 minutes of it done, and I'd like to make our videos around 10 to 12 minutes if I can. I think that's a good watch time. I'm signing off for now, and I'll see you later. All right, we are getting ready to head out to see the city of Genoa today, Sunday morning. It's about 1:45 actually. But we are getting ready to head out and check out the sights. What's the game plan?
We're getting ready to go out and find some lunch and walk around, check out the city.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna walk around her. I'm walking on the green. Good job. Huge heart. There's a huge rainbow heart up here.
Awesome.
Can we go take a picture, Brian?
Yep.
With my camera.
So I think we're gonna try and find some focaccia pizza. Word is that Genoa is famous for their focaccia, so I think this might be the place. What do you think? What'd you get?
I don't know.
I like it.
Is it good?
No.
Have you even tried it?
No.
Okay. And Cora? How is it? Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's a little greasy, but it's really good. So good. I have to try some other flavors because that was really good. This one's for Harper.
That's my mine.
Look at that.
I want to see. Yeah,
Can you try it?
yeah.
See it? Is it good? Good. Okay, no joke. This is like, tastes better than the memory of what we think Pizza Hut used to taste like when we were kids. Like a deep dish pizza from Pizza Hut, pan pizza. But it's better than that. So good. It's like crispy on the bottom. So good. That was a successful focaccia pizza trip.
Scary.
Scary?
Yeah. And what's this? Oh, that's scary.
Go.
That's scary.
Okay, we're all in the elevator. We are getting ready to go to the PARK and the grocery store.
What?
Lily's learning how to spell though and read, so she should be able to figure that one out.
Yeah. No.
I'll leave it up to her.
I want to know it. The playground?
So, let's go.
The playground?
Nope, that is not what that spells. So Lily's non-stop guessing. She hasn't got it yet. So, here we go. This is where the fun comes in. Is it Disneyland, Lily asks. Yeah, no, it's not. We're going to the park. P-A-R-K, park.
We said playground.
We said playground. I told you had to get it exactly right. I want you to use your reading skills. Go, play.
This was the park.
Go. Yes. Okay, we made it to the park. I'm not allowed to play a little while. There's a million kids here though, so I'm not gonna film because I don't want to film other people's kids. So, we'll let them play.
Good job.
What'd you do?
I did it.
What'd you do?
I did it the play.
Well, good job.
Yeah. It was fun. We went on the ground.
You hold hands. So we are down at one of the piers and we're trying to find something to eat. We're looking for pasta, I think. This is pretty cool. They've got the old gantries here for unloading loading ships. I don't know if they're still in use or not, but it's pretty neat. Definitely an Americana style place. And Lily wants a steak. So much for pasta.
Pasta?
We're at the Roadhouse restaurant. Adam and I just got steak. Lily got steak. And Cora and Harper got some chicken. And we got some cheese balls. Hopefully they're delicious. Hey, get up here.
Chicken, fried chicken, and fucking chicken. And water, and juice, lemon, and apple juice,
Michigan peach juice.
peach juice,
Mm-hmm.
cooking peach juice, and green lettuce. Steak, the best. What's that, Daddy? What's that?
All right, we are at the Roadhouse bar, or pub, or restaurant, whatever it is. And we're sitting here waiting on our video to go live. I think it's coming. There it goes. 2 more minutes. I hope everyone's tuned in. Yes. You know how to get back, man? Me either.
Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna say?
I don't know if this is coming across to the video, but the houses and everything built up along the seaside or along the mountains looks awesome. It's so cool looking right now. I love it here. Okay. So I think what they call this is the Porto Siberia area, and it's just a lot of nighttime activities and lots of eating and desserts and different people selling and hawking stuff, playing music, street performers. It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. to watch Moana. So I think we're going to try that out. Whoa, here we go. Ready? Lovely, lovely AC. Oh, so there's some candles in the fireplace, and
They turn off when it's morning and they turn on when it's night.
they were off earlier today. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna drop you. So we're sweating, Mama. We got her?
Yep.